Stay, I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency. Pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have sad story of Harlem Spartans. Now, everybody on this channel supposed to know about HP already. HS. Harlem Spartans already. You understand? Mama say HP like the sauce. Harlem Spartans, Lowski, Mizar Mac, RIP BIS, RIP SA, you know what I'm saying, man like Blanco. Yeah, you know the whole line, G Smarko, everybody, you know Harlem Spartans, bro. But we don't know is the road, so everything hasn't just been, you know, Lowski with hazards and Lowski and Mizar Mac with DJ Khaled. You understand? There's been some L's in this road thing and some W's. So, this guy said, sad story of Harlem Spartans. Talk about this guy, Kid Nerd, the fucking legend. Kid Nerd, bro. Big up Kid Nerd. His content is amazing, bro. You understand? So, big up Kid Nerd every fucking time. But him have sad story of Harlem Spartans, so I guess they're going to tell us about the death of Lats and BIS. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm here for it, bro, just to see. Educational drill, I'm telling you, bro, we're doing educational stuff on the channel now. You know what I'm saying? You dig? But you don't know. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. I saw somebody comment that I should bring back my GTake walkthrough on my gaming channel, bro. Alright, I'll do that just for you, my nigga. I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow just for you, bro. But yeah, gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Subscribe to my gaming channel and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into this shit, nigga.
Kid Nerd here, back with another video. And today, we're exploring the rise and fall of South London drill group, Harlem Spartans. And
wait, why you say rise and fall? Like, yeah, as a group, yeah, they did fall still, cause Call Me a Spartan, Kennington where it started, Hello Darling, like there's so many like group songs that they had that were just, you understand? But yeah, big them up still. Money on the roads, like Jesus Christ.
And today, we're exploring the rise and fall of South London drill group, Harlem Spartans, and what a lot of young people nowadays can take and learn from their rise and fall. But before I get into this video, follow me on Instagram for a chance to win a £100 Amazon gift card. Insta is on the screen now, so get following for the chance to win that. Let's get into the video. So Harlem Spartans is a gang located in the South London town of Kennington, and Harlem really put their area on the map, with smash hits like Kennington Where It Started, which is now on 16 million views. And around these...
Bro, I still go back and listen to that song. Kennington where it started, like Kennington where my heart is. See opposition get started, like my GTG ain't barking. Right step when I'm marching, dip pricks of him dancing. I beg you pardon, SA or Sav get out there and clot him. Chew beef like breakfast, two shanks get round in seconds. Spar or cuckoo or members. Listen, wake up, get my ground on like section. Question, if gang pull up, are you gonna back your brethren? Should I be screaming things to the things, man? Aye, listen, yeah, dog, you can tell. Kennington Where It Started is like one of my favorite songs. It and Let's Lurk, and there's some legendary drill songs in this shit, dog. And Red Rum Reverse, oh my god, listen.
The map, with smash hits like Kennington Where It Started, which is now on 16 million views. And around these times in 2016 to 2017, they were really the biggest things out in drill, and were even one of the biggest pushers for UK drill to be played on the international level, with rappers like Drake being heavy fans of the group. And they were even big influences for overseas drill groups to start making their music, like the popular Australian drill group 1-4. But behind all these numbers and recognition, real stuff was going on in the streets, and due to their come up being so fast and explosive, it was clear that the group hadn't adjusted yet to keeping the streets and their music separate, which resulted in the massive eventual downfall of their group. So before Harlem Spartans became a thing, the local gang in the Kennington area was called Cuckoo, also known as Black Prince, who were a quite small and not really that recognised gang in South London.
Yeah, cause originally, like way back in the day, bro, I saw somebody put out a video that they talk about niggas switching sides, right? And they said, oh boy, switch from somewhere to Cuckoo, and they had this picture with like £100 million transfer record fee or some shit like that, some meme shit, dog. I was like, Cuckoo? Who the fuck is Cuckoo? And they want to start, do my little research and thing. I realized that Cuckoo and is really not the Harlem Spartans, but it's like a set in the Kennington area. You understand? Set of gang members. So big up the Cuckoo man them. Cuckoo.
Also known as Black Prince, who were quite small and not really that recognised gang in South London, in times where South London was a complete war zone. This was during the infamous beef between the two neighbouring areas in South London called Brixton and Peckham, where Kennington was on Peckham's side against Brixton.
Kennington was on Peckham's side? Dog, what the bro, it's crazy how in 2021, bro, I wouldn't even have guessed that shit, fam. I thought this was decades long beef.
Didn't really have that much involvement in this feud, but in 2006 they did stab to death a 15-year-old Brixton gang member called Tiny Alien right after he finished his year 11 GCSE exams. So they
Bro, first of all, your name is Tiny Alien, which I guess you get it off of your older, because your name Tiny, so more than likely have an older name Alien, so you name Tiny Alien. But the man just do a GCSE, bro. Imagine the man just done mad up a maths exam, mad up a one English, history or something. Man just step out and say, yeah, dog, fam, I think I failed, bro. I don't think I did that good, man. I'm going to have to go hit the trap. Man's walking outside thinking he's going to hit the trap, fam. Fam, he got hit in his back. I mean, I don't even know where he got hit, blood, but you see me, dog? Like, that's fucked, fam. 15 as well,
Kennington didn't really have that much involvement in this feud, but in 2006 they did stab to death a 15-year-old Brixton gang member called Tiny Alien right after he finished his year 11 GCSE exams. So the area Kennington where Harlem Spartans are from has historically always had a feud of Brixton gangs, and throughout the years the area has picked up quite a few other enemies like Peckham, who they were close allies with during their war against Brixton. But despite the area's smaller gang size, they have still managed to hold down all their beef. And then the younger generation of Kennington started to form, who we know now today as Harlem Spartans. Most members from Harlem,
but a lot of people still call themselves Cuckoo. You see me, I say still use a Cuckoo name, so I don't know. Is it like Cuckoo still their boat, or is it them form into Harlem Spartans, or is it two different sets? Because they know niggas coming out saying Harlem O and Harlem Spartans, and then Cuckoo, and then Kennington, and you know what I'm saying? It's like, if we're all from the same area, why would they all bang the same thing? That's just what I want. If we're all from the same area, just bang the same thing. Or maybe it's all the same thing and I'm just chatting shit.
Generation of Kennington started to form, who we know now today as Harlem Spartans. Most members from Harlem went to a school called Tennyson's in Oval, South London. But this school also included a lot of kids from Brixton as well as Kennington. And obviously, Kennington and Brixton Olders were beefing at the time. But this wasn't a concern for Harlem members during school. And during school, members of Harlem...
Red Stripe, sponsor me. Look at this. Free fucking sponsorship. And they talk about, oh, who drinks beer out of a can? Me, nigga. Suck my dick.
Beefing at the time, but this wasn't a concern for Harlem members during school. And during school, members of Harlem and kids from Brixton were actually friends. And quite a few Harlem members used to rep Brixton gangs during secondary school, like Miz and Mac, who used to rep the Brixton Gang 17, and Lowski, who used to rep the Brixton Gang 150.
Yeah, you see me? I was just about to say that, bro, because Lowski was 150 back in the day. I never even know who's 17 and how would Miz and Mac end up rep them? What go on?
We're actually friends. And quite a few Harlem members used to rep Brixton gangs during secondary school, like Miz and Mac, who used to rep the Brixton Gang 17, and Lowski, who used to rep the Brixton Gang 150.
Tell me who's 17 in the comments. I don't know who's 17.
And even in a few songs, Harlem members and members from an opposing Brixton gang called 410 reference their friendships in their songs.
My siblings, he was my friend from years, boys from there, soon a victim. But you know,
he was my friend from years. Why you gotta fuck with them? Niggas ain't real. Look.
But these friendships were before.
You was my friend from years. Why you gotta fuck with them? That's why. Oh, so that's why AM is always wondering if you should really dead the beef, because they were really friends from before. I thought they was just chatting shit, trying to put up a front for the probation officers or something, dog, to make it seem like I'm out here and I'm doing music. I don't care about beef. When really and truly, might be kind of trying to dead the beef. Wow. Imagine me and a man friend for years in a high school, brother, and then when we jump out, man just want to kill me. Because I come from Mona, he come from Portmore. No, brother, I'm not upon that.
He was my friend from years. Why you gotta fuck with them? Niggas ain't real. Look.
But these friendships were before Harlem was really properly formed into a group. And after Harlem members left Tennyson School and started to go to college, older members of the Cuckoo Gang, who were running Kennington at the time, started to take these younger Harlem members under their wing. We started off with Harlem members chilling on the Kennington blocks alongside the older Cuckoo Gang. And then eventually the younger started to trap off Cuckoo members' lines and making money alongside them. And this is how a lot of gang affiliation starts, with older members bringing you in to chill around the gang, which will eventually result in you making money with the olders, probably trapping. And then eventually, after spending a lot of time with these guys, you will see them as family. And the next thing you know, you're throwing up gang signs and riding for these people. So while Harlem was starting...
You see me, bro? I was just about to say that, dog. I was like, see it there? Look how man just get sucked into the street life easy like that. Ghana, high school, your friend them from around there, so them nah deal with you because you come from around here. So and you say, alright, well, me deal with my friend them from around here, so them. And then the whole hour, no, go link up the whole of them on the block and say, yo, we need some money. Man, them start trapping on the block. Then now, something got happen. Now you have to go defend the block. Then, you catch a case. Now you're in jail for years. Because of one thing when you do. Nah, bro, not me, bro. I'm just saying, not me.
The chill in Kennington more heavily with the older gang Cuckoo. Brixton gangs who beefed Cuckoo started to recognise the younger Harlem members to be wrapped up in this beef as well. And this was really the start of Harlem Spartans gang involvement. Originally the gang came under two separate sets, one called Kennington Park and one called Younger Cuckoo. But eventually the lines got blurred between these two and they just started to roll as Harlem Spartans. Then in 2014, the group started to record music at a local youth centre and started releasing some tracks in 2015 with early tunes like Re-Up, 3000 Savage and Shit Then, coming from the two Harlem rappers Blanco and BIS, as well as other rappers
Bro, Blanco and BIS. So BIS was at the start of this shit. BIS literally started this shit, bro. I'm not even here to see this shit, you know what I'm saying? Continue. Definitely him see the rise and see the blow up, you know. But then he went jail and came home and never even spent a couple months on the road good, brother. You understand? So RP BIS, bro. I hate fucking hearing that story.
TG Million and Zico dropping solo tunes, and younger Harlem members like C Rose dropping some exclusives. But C Rose didn't allow himself to grow in music properly, because in the same year of 2015, he was convicted of manslaughter and was sentenced to 16 years in prison. It was really when Harlem rapper Lowski jumped on the scene.
Whoa. So everybody in 2015, I thought niggas was 15 in 2015, blood. Like, catching manslaughter at 15, getting 16 years. I believe him still, because niggas younger than him are actually catching M's. So I think, well, yeah, manslaughter, slaughter a man, so you call it a M. So yeah, but fucking hell, that's mad.
Manslaughter and was sentenced to 16 years in prison. It was really when Harlem rapper Lowski jumped on the scene that the gang really started to get some recognition. And the song that really took off was Lowski's song Hazards in June 2016, which was literally the song of the summer that year. You couldn't go anywhere in London without that song being played. And the reason why this song took off so much wasn't just because it sounded good. At the time, this was one of the most disrespectful drill tunes out, with a couple direct disses towards a Brixton gang called
Shy looking also long, coming like coffin, coming like girls coffin. Man, I still listen to Hazards to this day.
At the time,
big up Lowski.
This was one of the most disrespectful drill tunes out, with a couple direct disses towards a Brixton gang called 150, when Lowski said,
"Violence no mess. They say 150, but it's 146."
Got a friend them, and I was like, you know, so back in the day, I never pick up what I'm saying, you know. It's like probably like last year or 2 years ago, you know, when I listen to the song. They say 1-5 because Blanco said they say 300 but 294 for the 6 that's locked in pen. You see me? Because they locked 6 Spartans in pen, so it's not Spartan 300, it's Spartan 294 for the 6 that's locked in pen. And when he said they claim 150 but it's 146, because their friend them dead, I was like, oh shit, man, them just a subtract. But Blanco, him a subtract because the man them get locked up. Low scale subtract because the man them got packed off. I don't even know. Like, nah, bro. Stop, bro. Stop talking about the packs like that, man.
when Lowski said,
Violence, no meds. They say 150, but it's 146. Should a friend them dead.
and this is in reference to the 4 150 members who had died at the time, which were Pistol, SQ, Gores and J Munner. But one of his next lines was one of the most disrespectful lines in
I didn't even know about all those people, bro. Pistol, SQ. All I know what was Gores, because he said Gores in the song.
SQ, Gores and J Munner. But one of his next lines was one of the most disrespectful lines in drill.
Hey, shorty just all so long. Looking like Gora's coffee.
I told you!
Gora was a respected member of the 150 gang who had died in 2015 after he borrowed money off another 150 member but refused to pay it back. So the other 150 member just shot and killed him. Now after Lowski just mocked Gora, 150 members weren't happy about this obviously, and the 150 rapper called Sticks shortly after posted a video of himself on Harlem's block. Also in some leaked Twitter messages between the same members, Sticks and somebody else, you can see Sticks says they're mashing work on the field youths, which basically means that
Whoa, 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 whoa. sorry, I'm sorry I'm silent so long now. I'm trying to read as well, but also like niggas just talking about the beef on social media like this. Like I would have never done this. I'll be like, the feds is watching, bro. Word, bro. I know you understand how much it hurts when man get drawn out by new GMs, but their mashing works on the field use, can't lie. Them spot you, Turner told me everything. Bless, now Harlem and Rendell's lying. It's wallpaper for them.
Harlem were putting some real pressure on them on this.
Who exposed these messages?
So in some leaked Twitter messages between the same members, Sticks and somebody else, you can see Sticks says they're mashing work on the field youths, which basically means that Harlem were putting some real pressure on them on the streets. And the field youths that Sticks was referring to was another gang called 410 in Brixton, who were allied with the 150 gang and
410, the Crashers. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, bro. The Crashers and Harlem, bro, that's the beef that's not going to die anytime soon. Nah, die down no time soon.
were beef in Harlem. For a fairly newly established gang, Harlem were really starting to make some noise in the music and on the streets. There's hella videos on YouTube of Harlem members attacking 410 members on CCTV and cameras. Shortly after the release of Lowski's diss track Hazards in 2016, he went to jail for possession of a knife, which he got quite a bit of time for. But luckily for him and the crew, the other members of Harlem picked up where he left off and started growing the Harlem Spartans name, dropping UK drill classics at the end of 2016 and the start of 2017, like Call Me a Spartan and Kennington.
Didn't I mention these songs at the start, bro? Cool Me a Spartan, come from Harlem, baby son fly like Jordan. The week walking. Listen, and Kennington where it started, mad thing.
Where it started, which was literally on replay all throughout the UK in 2017, and even got the Canadian rapper Drake co-signing Harlem Spartans and captioning his Snapchats with Harlem lyrics. Quite early on, another Harlem rapper called Jojo was arrested and sentenced to 7 years in prison for possession of a knife, a firearm, grievous bodily harm and robbery, which is a real small sentence for all them crimes.
Exactly.
And it's a shame because Jojo had,
bro, the nigga literally did have 4 charges on him and only got 7 years. Mad.
had the real potential to blow up in the drill scene. But on the other side of the pond, their ops 410 in Brixton were also killing the music game in 2017, especially their Mad About Bars, which is on nearly 30 million views.
What? Bro, I don't even know this Mad About Bars, bro. Like, I don't know any bars in it. I can't. No, I lied. Yeah, I probably listened to it 1 or twice. But 30 million views? That's on some Digger D type shit, some OFB type shit, bro.
And both 410 and Harlem were at the top of the game in 2017 and would even often sneak diss each other in hit songs. But despite Harlem Spartans really taking off in 2017, 2017 was also their start of their downfall. After the Call Me a Spartan video was released, Harlem rapper TG Million got into a high-speed chase with one of his ops. When catching up, he stabbed him, causing grievous bodily harm, and he was eventually found guilty and sentenced to 12 years. This left the rappers Mizomat, Blanco and Big.
What? Chased him down. Man said high-speed chase. When he said high-speed chase, I thought he was going to say high-speed chase with the cops. Man said high-speed chase with the ops, caught up to him and stabbed him, causing grievous bodily harm, and got 12 years. 12 years do 6. Man, Jano. That's the thing. I want somebody to answer me. When you get amount of time in UK, do you always do half, or do you you have to do the entire sentence for some of them?
He was eventually found guilty and sentenced to 12 years. This left the rappers Mac, Blanco and BIS to hold it down for the group, while the rest were inside. But that was no issue, with Mac being probably one of the best drill artists the UK has ever seen, and Blanco and BIS having their own unique style that fans love, with the three dropping some classics like 21st Century Spartans, Kent Nizzy and No Hook. But there was one issue. Fans started to notice that Mac and Blanco wasn't in the No Hook music video.
Bro, literally, while I'm watching the video, I'm seeing nobody rapping. I'm seeing no mouth. I'm just seeing, it's only at like a certain part in the video where I saw I think it was probably BIS. Probably BIS was the only nigga out at the time. He was like acting out some shit in the music video and doing some Ray, but it was only him. I was like, first of all, I don't see any chubby guy there looking like Blanco. I don't see any tall nigga, black skinny nigga looking like Miz. So what's going on? And that's when after I realized, oh, these niggas got bagged with the shank and the whap and the man them had to do the time. But Kid Nerd, I gotta tell you about that. See, I know what I'm talking about, bro.
By it being their own song. Well, not too long before the video, Blanco and Mac actually got arrested themselves while riding on their ox with a gun and samurai sword in February 2017. It was 1 o'clock in the morning and both were in the back of a cab in Camberwell, South London, looking for ops, when their cab got pulled over and they were caught with a gun and samurai sword.
Camberwell. Bro, I don't even know where that is, bro. My name just literally in a cab looking for ops. Mad thing. And then I probably bet no, like they're like, why would he be in a cab, bro? A cab is so, like a police can just, at least if you in a car and you see police, you can do a 1-2 thing and get, bro, a cab. The nigga is just gonna let the police pull him over, bro. Like, but anyway, man, continue.
Mac got 6 years and Blanco got 3 years. And it was starting to come clear that Harlem's beef with opposite areas started to take over their music. And Harlem started to become very heavily monitored by police, which just made everything hot for them.
Exactly.
Because they were really putting in some work on the streets. Then in June of 2017, Harlem's original main rapper Lowski was released from jail and wasted no time releasing his first tune, Teddy Bruckshot, which was an instant hit, dropping other bangers like Money and Beef, Call Me Loose and his Tim Westwood freestyle. And also at the end of 2017, dropping another song with a rapper called
Maisky from Moscow. You understand? Mommy's Kitchen. Him didn't even have to say it, bro. 2017, I was in it. You understand? 2017, I was fully in it to win it, bro. Everything we about to talk about now, I remember all this shit going down, bro. I remember watching this shit, seeing that he's fresh home. Teddy Bruckshot 2. I mean, about Teddy Bruckshot 2. Teddy Bruckshot and Money and Beef and 2, come on, name get touched. Splash, I love it. Up it. Listen, all right, let me just continue, bro. I'm doing way too much.
Called Mummy's Kitchen, which was a very rude song to their ops. Maisky is from a gang called Moscow 17, which is allied with Harlem, and their main beef was with a gang called Zone 2 located in Peckham, southeast London, which is also a very hot beef, which I won't go into too much in this video because I might make a separate video on this in the future. But throughout,
if you make a Zone 2 Moscow beef video, I'm definitely reacting to that, so I need to see that shit, man.
throughout the Mummy's Kitchen song, they dissed dead ops and different street situations. It started to seem like Harlem was making a comeback though, with Lowski growing massively and younger Harlem members starting to jump on drill, like on drills and LM, and they were
Youngest and baddest, Usman been them mute. So before we made that song, 10 toes there with my 15-inch trying to do someone wrong. The upstrap lying their tracks. How the fuck these youths get paid for the songs? About that, man, I didn't see enough about bombs and thongs. Anyway, man, youngest and baddest with, what him name? Angels and Splash. Is Angels and Splash? But you know who, LM, Splash, you get.
were also
Jazzy, you get.
starting to rack up views as well.
There might be 3 totally different people I just named a while ago, but I don't give a fuck, nigga. These niggas got way too many names for me to keep up with. I don't care.
So 2018 was looking like a good bounce back from Harlem. But then on May 5th, 2018, a car pulled up to Moscow 17's block, the gang which was affiliated with Harlem, which I mentioned earlier, while a 17-year-old rapper called GB from Moscow was playing football with another member
R.I.P.
called Incognito on their block. GB was shot and killed, but the gang who killed GB was actually trying to kill Incognito after Incognito beat a murder case of an affiliated member. And this murder is actually still unsolved, so I'm not going to speculate who killed GB because I only talk about situations which have actually already been prosecuted for. The death of GB made South London very, very hot at the time, with both sides riding out heavily during the whole
Bro, a lot of times when I watch these videos and I see these kids, I just feel sorry for them, dog. I'm like, look at you, bro. You not even know the struggle and pain where you go through just being out on the block like this, bro. You don't even know, bro. Look at you with the belly. You probably think you're hot shit right now, fam. You understand? You're looking up at the older teenage youths on the block with their belly and want to be like them. Not even know, fam. This nigga just got chased down last week. Just got released from jail. Got stabbed. Got beat up in jail. Got poured hot water with a kettle on. Like, leave me alone, man. Leave the streets alone.
GB made South London very, very hot at the time, with both sides riding out heavily during the whole summer, and both sides taking many snaps on each other's block and dissing each other.
I don't know. Huh? Was that attempted? Was it the murder?
Come outside, man!
Yo. Oh, shit. All right, yo, hold on. Let me take this shit off, nigga. Disconnecting. But anyway, when they said they were in Camberwell, that's where they were. Oh, shit. Niggas said they were in Camberwell looking for ops. But he's in Camberwell. Anyway, I don't care.
Was that attempted? Was it the murder?
Come outside, man!
I remember watching this video as well. The niggas are just literally in their car on the block telling niggas to come outside.
Come outside, man! Come outside!
Very much. Wish a nigga would.
And 2 months after GB's death,
Wish a nigga would. Like, what? Like, the man them literally outside on the ops block talking about wish a nigga would. Bro, you know a nigga would, bro. You know a nigga is itching right now to catch you lacking, bro. So stop doing that, dog. Like, I understand if you feel big man and macho, but you know that niggas on the other side are itching to get you down, bro. Stop trying to go on like you're untouchable, bro. You're not untouchable, bro. Everybody can get touched. Just stop.
unfortunately, the beef was stepped up to another level. Rapper SA from Harlem was riding on his ops block on the back of a moped, loaded with a gun looking for his ops. When he spotted some ops in the car, he got close and aimed his gun, but his gun jammed and he was stabbed 5 times. SA and his other accomplice drove away after SA was stabbed, but after a half of a mile of riding away, the other accomplice pushed SA off the ped and shouted to the public to take him to hospital, more than likely to save himself from being wrapped up in the situation. The member who pushed SA off the ped was actually from Harlem's affiliation gang called Moscow 17, and of course Harlem was not happy about one of their members pushing SA off the ped and leaving him to die, so both gangs started to go back and forth, which caused a big divide between them. But less than 2 weeks after SA's death, Moscow 17's leader was also stabbed to death on the same street where GB was killed. And
you understand, bro? Like, just look at the trend of violence, bro. This is literally weeks apart, bro. Literally, niggas is just dropping, and niggas is ants not time, but wish a nigga would, bro. Like, it's not even a nigga that you wish would. Another nigga did it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Not even that up.
Incognito was even one of the only Moscow members left that Harlem was still cool with at the time. But after these recent L's, Harlem were riding a lot and were going on an absolute rampage. But at the same time, Harlem Spartans were being monitored by the police heavily. Harlem rapper G Smarko rid on his ops block for revenge and shot a rival and was sentenced to 21 years in prison. Another Harlem rapper Scratcher and GG were riding out on their
Scratcher. I couldn't take, bro, and think this beast gonna end. Still pull up in town, 2-man, 2 waps trying to crash at them. That's Scratcher. Bro, keep on that mask, bro. What the fuck? Niggas is riding out and they look like this, coming to kill me. Fuck no, bro. Just kill me and done, bro. I don't want to see y'all niggas, man. I don't want, bro. Scratcher. I couldn't take. Every time I hear that, now I'm going to think of seeing this nigga, bro. That nigga looks scary, fam. I don't care. That nigga looks scary.
ops with a gun and were caught, then were sentenced to 15 years combined. And another member of Harlem, Jug, was jailed for 10 years after stabbing the man in the head, leaving permanent brain damage. And member T-Trap, another member of Harlem Spartans, was jailed for 21 years after murdering a man who disrespected one of his friends. So as I said before,
bro, like literally, they kept it as simple as possible. He killed someone. Why did he kill someone? For disrespecting his friend. Just as simple as that, bro. For 21 years, why? Somebody disrespected my friend, so I had to end him. I had to kill him. I had to pack him. What? Like, it depends on the disrespect, you know, that, because disrespect it's a wide spectrum. You understand? But still, the man, they just say, oh, kill a friend because he killed somebody because they disrespected his friend. Mad. I know what him probably means still. Them probably take the piss out of him and he was like, no, that can't run. Gotta kill him. And then they just killed him and, yep. 21 years.
Was jailed for 21 years after murdering a man who disrespected one of his friends. So as I said before, Harlem was just going on a rampage after the...
But the thing is, I don't hear niggas say free T-Trap. Or do they? Let me know in the comments, bro. Because a lot of these niggas, I don't hear niggas saying... Did I hear people say free Scratcher? Maybe. I don't know.
Using their friends, and clearly started to focus more on their beef than the music. But Lowski was still holding it down for the group musically, still getting millions of views on his songs. But in 2019, it seemed like the roads were getting the best of him again, when he was arrested in his cab while he had a firearm on him, leaving the Harlem rapper BIS to be the only free rapper of Harlem Spartans still out. But when BIS was going home after his last music video called Beretta at the end of 2019, he started to get into an argument with some people on the phone, which is...
Wait. That's what happened? Dog, I thought it was just a regular day and the nigga went outside like to the store or something and saw ups and got into the argument there. Damn, so that's why Beretta have so much views. Fuck, you know. I mean, it's been still saying I gotta get views, but like, I never, Jano, dog. Every time, not RP, dog, just RP.
He then arranged to meet after the argument. When he met the guys he was arguing with, he attempted to swing a mallet at the guys, but dropped it and was set upon and stabbed to death.
Alright, you see that now? BIS, you can't do that, bro. You see what I mean? When niggas just, that emotion, dog, niggas just get vexed and it's just like, nah, man, come now. And then this, yeah, dog, and then, RIP BIS, bro.
Right after filming one of his best music videos, which is now on 2.1 million views, leaving the gang pretty much all wiped out. Quite a few members of the gang also got time for drug offences, like Old Boy, who was caught when officers spotted people in a queue outside of his trap house, and was sentenced to 2 years and 8 months for possession with intent to supply.
But Old Boy is back now on the road, so Old Boy are doing thing again, and so Old Boy was really a Old Boy. Okay, Old Boy, I see, and that's Snow. Girl says she want to chop with the yell, she'll probably give it to Snow. Let me hear what him say about Snow.
Outside of his
oh yeah, check out all my Old Boy reactions on my channel. Old Boy is a sick fucking rapper. Check out the song with him and Migo. And yeah, I'm feeling different, insane.
And was sentenced to 2 years and 8 months for possession with intent to supply. And Snow, who was caught in Wales, running a county line drug operation, and was sentenced to 4 years. And Hector, who was caught drug trafficking, and was sentenced to 4 years as well. Both rappers, Miz and Mac and Lowski, have both been released from jail since, and teamed up and made a song called On Me that went viral. And it seemed like the gang might have been revived, especially after the rapper Blanco was also freed. But since then, Miz and Mac and Lowski have both been sent back to jail, and are currently there right now. And this is the end to a sad story of a group who were on top but allowed the streets to consume what they had, which I really hope is a wake-up call to a lot of people that the streets really cannot lead to anywhere but death or prison. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been your boy Kid Nerd, and peace out.
What's this, Kid Nerd? Anyway, big up Kid Nerd for this fucking video, and he's right, bro. The streets can only lead to death or prison, my nigga. I understand. But understanding in a way still, you know, that all they know is Kennington and Brixton and Peckham. So their reputation in these places matter, bro, because at the end of the day, I know like say, them can go somewhere else where if them get beat up last week, people are going to forget about it and nobody not going to remember. Like, no, if them get beat up last week, people are going to remember and people are teasing about it. So if anything happened to you, you have to retaliate. And that's just how it is, and it's just a never-ending cycle of retaliation until somebody wants to take it to, you know what I'm saying, death. And then once it reaches death, so then it's no real gang beef, gang war. And then, you understand? So it's like never-ending cycle of violence. Man, them just need to get out that shit, dog. And then, bro, like even this picture at the bottom left right there, I see Harlem niggas post that shit, but they're Xing out niggas' faces. That means you and a whole bunch of niggas were cool, and now you and a whole bunch of niggas not cool. But they aren't even your ops. You're just not cool with them. So it's like, what was the point of having all of this, doing all of these ride outs, have niggas in jail, niggas doing time, niggas died, niggas old, all of this shit for nothing? We're not even going to stay together as a group for this, at least try and make some money, or, you know, go big on the drug thing. You understand? That's why I can't do gangs, bro. Gangs just don't make any sense to me. And I don't like niggas like that, bro. Fuck that shit. But anyway, but see, my dog is telling me, shut up and end the video. You don't know. Cogency for the Cogency Reacts. Channel big up Kid Nerd. Go subscribe to his channel and go watch this video. Links in the description. My links as well. Check out my gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Cause when the girl them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl.